So I did my 19 kilometer today, Wagga to Kalanguli. Let's drive to the take the fuel. I don't know why the water temperature is going up, but I've driven around 19 kilometers today. Let's check the fuel. Oh, so got some in there, yes. I think we'll be alright. I think we can make it to Wagga. Jumpers is going up. Water looks alright, boiling. Oh yeah. I see the little bit of oil coming out. Oh wow. I think the breathe pretty heavy. Oh wow. So I drove around 81 kilometer maximum today. You can see the oil breathe out pretty much. I don't know why. Maybe because of the vibration, or probably just. So first time after the restoration, I've drove this long, around 19 kilometer one way. So I'm gonna go back home now, drive around the town of, and see this town of Kalanguli. Drive back to Wagga. See how I go. I don't know, the temperature's gone up. side off. And now on the left we're going to whoa. So I drove around 23 minutes or 40. Oh wow. So we're leaking there right now. I heard a big popping noise. Oh wow, I can see a lot of fuel coming out and all. Shit. Wow. Don't know why. Let's see. What are the things going on? Oh wow. Bit of dripping from there. Might need to change the engine later on, probably soon. Oh wow. There's a bit draining from there as well. There's quite a bit of oil dripping. But yeah, it made it around 40 plus kilometer today. First time. We're right. Oh wow. It's not enough fuel left. Probably that's the popping noise I've heard at the end of the drive. The water probably leaking from there, I think. Yeah, it's alright so far. It's a bit of concern is the thing leaking down there. Yeah.